is the cereal man.
All right. Good morning. We got new cereal this morning. Fruity Pebbles Crunch. Alright. So yeah, these look like those cereal I had way back in 1982. Jiminy Cricket on it. Alright. If you look at the box, you'll see Fred and Barney. Barney got some rock star glasses on. He got the synthesizer. Fred got the guitar. And yeah, what is the meaning of this?
What do you want to do with your life?
I want to rock.
Well, hopefully, if they still keep that fruity pebble taste, it might be good. I might feel like a rock star. So let's see what these is tasting like. Let me go grab my milk so I can see it was good. Good old cold milk. Let me mix this around. Make sure my flavoring's right. These taste just like tricks. Why didn't they just keep the Fruity Pebbles taste? Yeah, these taste like tricks. It has a soft crunch to it, you know, and it tastes just like tricks. So on my grade scale, I get it's a C+. It has a great tricks flavor to them. The crunch is kind of soft, but it's still pleasurable. Well, come back next week to the cereal man.